first pack of the Panini Select 2024. Ron Simmons, X-Pac, John Cena, Karrion Kross parallel, /10, and Piper Niven. Since I didn't show it very well in the last video. The one I pulled to the side felt extra thick. Good thing I double checked the bottom. There's a pack sitting right there underneath all that shit. This is that pack that felt extra thick. I think this is one of the autos. Like I said, thicker card. Great Khali. Vader. The Honky Tonk Man. Cora Jade, 6 out of 10. Selective swatches. And the last card was a CM Punk. And like the Karrion Kross one, I misread it. It isn't an auto, it's just a selective swatch. Hopefully that's the memorabilia card, 6 out of 10. Diamond Dallas Page, Carmelo Hayes, Ilya Dragunov, Randy Orton, and new. And last but not least, Bianca Belair. 118 out of 190. IRS. Randy Orton. Bailey. A redemption card. That's pretty sick. And Nikita Lyons card, number 14. Ringside action signatures. That's pretty sick. Nikita Lyons, that's sick. She got a big old booty. Uncle Howdy. That's pretty sweet too. A Premier Uncle. Alba Fire. Jade Cargill. It's a pretty cool looking card. I like Jade Cargill. Boo. Dominic Mysterio. Dirty Dom. That's pretty sick. Turbocharged LA Knight. Oh, that wasn't the final card.
You don't feel hot.
Shh.
Sorry.
Rhea Ripley. Number 99 out of 125.